I'm here to help you to make the YouTube algorithm recommend your videos to other viewers. Yeah? Just watch this video till the end. I'm going to give you step by step how to make it. Hello everyone, my name is Mosh, and on this channel I make videos about tools, tricks and strategies used to monetize on YouTube. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for liking. Please comment and subscribe. In my previous video, I told my viewers to build up an audience so that YouTube can recommend their videos further. And I had a question, how to build up an audience. Today I have a strategy for you. Just watch this video till the end. For those who are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe to this channel so that we grow together. The strategy is just create 5 new YouTube channels, and those channels subscribe to this channel you want to grow. Then when you upload a video, take 3 hours without using this strategy. Then you're going to use each of the 5 channels you have created to watch the video you uploaded. Use these 5 channels to watch the video you have uploaded, and each video you upload, use the same strategy. Use those 5 channels to watch each video you upload. This is going to send a good information, a good impression to YouTube. Thus YouTube can increase your impressions. YouTube will know that your audience are interested in your videos, that your audience are watching your videos. I told you last time, you just need only 5 loyal viewers which watch each and every video that you upload. If YouTube knows that some people are liking your video, it is going to recommend your video to other viewers. Using this strategy, you need to know 3 things. First of all, those viewers who are watching your videos must watch them till the end, from the beginning to the end. If your videos are 8 minutes, make sure that you use those channels to watch your videos for 8 minutes. They must watch till the end. Then they must comment on those videos. They must comment on those videos. Comment anything, because now we want to attract the attention of the YouTube algorithm with our 5 channels. Thirdly, they must like that video. Comment, like and watch till the end. For the 5 channels, if those 5 channels watch, like and comment, and the next video they do the same thing, and the next video they do the same thing, it gives a good information to YouTube algorithm that your videos are worth being sent to other viewers. You will see a gradual or a rapid growth of your channel. Stop being stuck. Just create 5 channels, use them to watch videos from the other channels. Other strategies, I'm going to upload them frequently. Please just subscribe to this channel so that we grow together. Thank you for watching. Ashe.